Hi, I'm Rachel for ExpertVillage. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the newspaper. So first thing, and I'm going to basically glue it around the box, around the tin, like that. It's just going to make it easier later on when we want to take the newspaper out of the tin out of the newspaper. It's going to make it easier. So the first thing, as I said, we cut the newspaper and we're going to glue it just around here. Not all around, but just at the end of it. Even if it gets a little bit glue on the tin, it's fine. It's not going to hold it too hard. Okay, I'm just going to cut it a little bit, although you can do it at the end too. Cut it straight. Okay, so here is our box standing.